Good morning, dear children. This class is for class both A and B, grammar book, page number 61. Page number 61. So, adjectives of quantity already I explained to you. Now, you come to the page number 62. Page number 62. So 62 you finished the top one, demonstrative adjectives. Now we will come to the demonstrative adjectives, fourth number, page number 66. Page number 66. The word demonstrative adjectives. If a pronoun is followed by noun, it is not a pronoun. It is a demonstrative adjectives. The word demonstrative means pointing out. A demonstrative adjectives answer the question which. Words that this, that, these, those demonstrative adjectives. They describe and modify nouns. These are demonstrative adjectives. This and these are used for nouns, pronouns that are near. Now always the pronouns which are very near, they are used to, what is that called, demonstrative adjectives, that is this, that, these, this and these are, which is nouns are very close by, we say, that is this and these. That, those, the pronouns which are very far away. Whenever you must remember that which the things are far from you, that will be that and those. The things which are very close to you are these and this. This and that are used with the singular nouns. These and those are used with the plural nouns. Now read the sentences given here, page number 66 only. This book belongs to my brother, singular. Now, in you have to use means that house is very beautiful. Now, you have to use in close by means plural. These story books are very interesting. Those girls play in the basketball team, plural. See, those plural. These plural. This singular. That singular. The words this, those, that, and these describes the nouns. Book, girls, house, and storybooks. They point out specific people, animal, or things. They are called demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives and demonstrative pronouns. This dress is beautiful. This is a beautiful dress. These are demonstrating. Now this dress is beautiful. This dress is nice. This dress is very nice. This dress is short. This dress is very long. So you are demonstrating demo. You are giving a demo of that dress, isn't it? Now in the sentence, the word this qualifies the noun. Dress and is a demonstrative adjectives. Understood? Now coming to the down, underline the demonstrative adjectives in the sentences given below. Underline the demonstrative adjectives. This dog was chasing a cat yesterday. This dog was chasing a cat yesterday. This will become demonstrative adjectives. Underline the demonstrative adjectives here. So, page number, I told you page number 67. It's not page number 63. Page number 63. Page number 63. Again I am telling you, page number 63. So, I am reading out the sentences. You need to underline them. This dog was chasing a cat yesterday. This will become demonstrative adjectives. Now, those girls live near the park. Those will come demonstrative adjectives. Third one, I cut these pictures from a book. So, these will come demonstrative adjectives. Fourth one, do these books belongs to you? These is demonstrative adjectives. My mother bought those pens from the market. Those is demonstrative adjectives. This boy is a fast runner. This is a demonstrative adjectives. These flowers are for you. These, underline these. Whichever word I am saying, that you underline. Can you climb this tree? This, demonstrative adjectives, underline. That rabbit was eating a carrot. That, underline. Those zebras were running fast. Those, all these are underlined. One is demonstrative adjectives in page number 63. Remember, in page number 63. Rewrite these sentences by changing the singular nouns into plural nouns. Now you have to change a singular noun into plural noun. That naughty child is on the swing. These naughty children is on the swing. Remember, in the space which is one line, it given for you to write. And once more I am repeating you, these naughty children are on the swing. These naughty children are on the swing. This ripe apple is rotten. Those ripe apples are rotten. Third, that cute little puppy is my pet. These cute little puppies are my pet. Next, page number 64. Page number 64. That new colorful umbrella is mine. These new colorful umbrellas are mine. This big picture book has fairy tales. These big picture book has fairy tales. That new girl in school is my sister. Those new girls in my school are my sisters. This frog lives in the park. This frog lives in the park. These frogs are living in the park. That shoe has a lace. Those shoes has a lace. This computer does not have speakers. These computers does not have speakers. That man has a black umbrella. Those men have a black umbrella. So where the place is left, there you have to write what the answer I said. Now again, page number 64, down one. Change these sentences into singular form. Now change these sentences into singular form. Those broken toys need repairs. Answer, that broken toys need repair. REPAIR. Second, those pretty girls are painters. That pretty girl is painter. That pretty girl is now you have to singular form use here. Not painters, painter. That pretty girl. These short answers are not correct. This short answer is not correct. These healthy looking children are footballers. This healthy looking child is footballer. Those nurses are from Kerala. That nurse is from Kerala. These sweet smelling flower look pretty. This sweet smelling flower look pretty. Those tall buildings have terrace gardens. Seventh one. That tall building has terrace garden. Eighth. These elephants carry logs of wood. This elephant carry logs of wood. Those penguins are eating fish. That penguin is eating fish. These drawings need coloring. This drawing need coloring. This is the last of the exercise. Now next chapter you have to read and come. Next chapter you have to read and come. Now I have to go a little faster. All this grammar should be finishing. So that is why I have to go a little faster. Okay. Now coming to the page number 69. Coming to the page number 69. Adjectives are used to describe the quality of the noun. Sorry, page number 65, chapter 14. Page number 65, chapter 14. Adjectives are used to describe the quality of the noun, but sometimes we need to describe that quality in comparison with that same quality in another object. Adjectives of comparison. Adjectives of comparison. There are 3 degrees of comparisons: positive, comparative and superlative. Now, Abhinav is tall. Abhinav is taller than Vaibhav is taller than Abhinav. Gaurav is tallest of all. The words taller and tallest describe the height of Abhinav and Gaurav respectively. Understood? Now, Abhinav is only tall. Then Vaibhav is taller than Abhinav. Understood? Now 3 are standing in a line. This is what we say comparison of degree. Comparison, we say that. Now last is tallest. Now first one is a little tall, then taller, then tallest. This is the way we do the degrees, comparison of degrees. Okay. Now in sentence 1, the adjective tall tells about the quality of only one person. It is called the positive degree. It's called a positive one person. It says only about one person, quality of only one person. It's called positive degree. In sentence 2, the adjectives taller tells about a higher degree than the positive degree. Now, positive degree, then the what is that called? It compares to what is that called? It tells about a higher degree than the positive degree. Now positive is there little higher. It compares 2 persons, Abhinav and Vaibhav. Abhinav and now it compares 2 persons here. It is called the comparative degree. Now 2 persons they are comparing. Understood? So that is called a comparative degree. We are comparing. Now suppose Ankit is a clever boy. Now, Arun is cleverer than Ankit. Now, these two I am comparison. Now, third degree. Now, Arshita is more clever. Now, what happened? Now, first I said Ankit is clever. Second, it cleverer. Third, Arun is cleverest. Isn't it? That is the way these degrees are comparison of degrees. Positive, comparative, superlative. Positive, comparative and superlative. So, we are comparison this. So, today it is over. Then we will see to it afterwards next.